Welcome back. In this short video, you will learn how to create tables. There are several ways you can create tables in Five. The quickest and recommended way is through our Table Wizard. Select Data in the menu, followed by Table Wizard. Give your table a name. For us today, we'll call it Shopping List. Click the Add Fields button to add fields to your table. Five will automatically create your table's primary key for you based on the table name. I will show you this shortly. The first field we'll call Name. You can see Five has given this field a data type of text and a display type of text. The data type is how the data will be stored in the database, while the display type is how the data will be displayed in your application. The first field will be flagged as required. You can change this, however you will need to have at least one field in your table that is required to have a value before it can be saved. All you need to do is determine the data size the field can hold. We'll add 255. We'll add another 3 fields to the table. We'll call them Date, Store, and Postcode. For the Date field, you can see Five has changed the data and display types to Date and removed the Size field. Five based this on the name of the field. The Size field has been removed as Five knows the data size to store a date. All we need to do is add the data size for the fields Store and Postcode. Once you click the Save button, the Table Upgrade window will pop up, and this enables you to populate your table with data using an SQL statement. We won't do this for this demonstration, so we can just click Save. The Table Wizard will reset for you to continue to add your tables. We will add another table called Item and add 3 fields to this table. We'll call them Name, Quantity, and Price. Once again, you can see Five has helped us with the definitions for the quantity field based on the name. For the name field, we'll add the data size. And for the price field, we're going to change the data type. We'll change this to float. Five will make the display type float 2. This will make it that the full float value will be stored in the database, while only 2 decimal places will be displayed in your application. Click the Next button, and this is where you can create a relationship with another table by clicking the Add Relationships button and selecting a table. Five will create the foreign key between the tables forming the relationship. You can make the field required, and we can save this table as well. So where do your table records go after you've saved them? Select Data in the menu, followed by Tables in the sub-menu. All the tables you save in Five will be listed here, and this is where you can edit and maintain your records. Now, I told you before that Five creates the primary key and foreign keys when in the Table Wizard. In the Fields page, you can see here there are 2 fields that we did not add, Item Key and Shopping List Key. And on the Indices page, we have 2 keys. The Item Key is the primary key that Five created, and Shopping List Key is the foreign key that was created when we formed a relationship with the Shopping List table. You can edit the table fields and indices by selecting the record in the list, and you can also add additional fields here. Of course, you can add your entire table here rather than using the wizard, but just remember, you need to add all fields and keys. Five will not assist you here. There is another method that you can add and maintain your tables, and this is using our database modeler located under the Data menu. You can visually see the model for your database and the relationships between tables. New tables can be added here, and you can also edit the current ones that you have. Once again, if you add a new table here, the record will be stored in the Tables view. In my next video, we'll see how to import data into your tables.